Hello children, how are you all? Hope you are fine. Children, now it's time to check our knowledge. Let's start with the first Roman. What is the first Roman? Observe the picture and find out which one is indoor games and outdoor games. Shall we start now? Yes. Children, observe the picture. See the picture. What is the first one? Yes, throwing dice. Throwing dice is an indoor game or outdoor game? Very good. Children, hope you have guessed the answer. The answer is indoor game. Okay, the first one answer is indoor game. Shall we move to the next one? Second one. What is this? Yes, football. Children, football is an indoor game or outdoor game? Very good. Football is an outdoor game. Okay. Shall we move to the next one? Yes. Third one. Children, see the picture. What is this? Building blocks. Building block is an indoor game or outdoor game? Very good. Hope you have guessed the answer. The third one, building block, is the indoor game. Okay. Next, fourth one. What is this? Tennis. Children, tennis is the indoor game or outdoor game? Yeah, very good. Surely it is the outdoor game. Shall we move to the next one? Yes, children. Fifth one. What is this? Carrom board. Carrom board is the indoor game or outdoor game? Very good. Hope you have guessed the answer. The carrom board is surely indoor game. Okay. Next, sixth one. What is this last one? What is this? Yes, it is a basketball. Basketball is the indoor game or outdoor game? Very good. Basketball is the outdoor game. Children, if you found out all the 6 answers correctly, clap your hands off for yourself. Clap your hands. Very good. Shall we move to the next one? Yes, children. Now, we move to the second Roman. Now, we move to second Roman. What is the second Roman? Complete the words. What is the second Roman? Complete the words. Children, I am going to give you the clues. You are going to find out the words. Okay? Shall we start now? I am going to give the clue. What is the first clue? What is the first clue? The first clue is it is a type of family. Okay, children? The first clue is it is a type of family. And second clue is it is 7-letter word. The second clue is it is the 7-letter word. And it starts with the letter N. Okay, children? It starts with the letter N. Okay. The first clue is it is a type of family. The second clue is it is the 7-letter word. And last one is it starts with the letter N. Children, have you all guessed the answer? Yeah, correct. It is nuclear. It is nuclear. What is the spelling for nuclear? N-U-C-L-E-A-R. Nuclear. Nuclear. Okay, shall we move to the next one? Second one. Children, the first clue is it starts with the letter L. Okay. The first clue is it starts with the letter L. And second clue is we use to get brightness. We use this to get brightness. We use this to get brightness. Children, have you all guessed the answer? Yeah. It's correct. It is lamp. Okay, it is lamps. L-A-M-P-S, lamps. Okay, shall we move to the next one? Third one. The first clue is the second letter of this word is 8th letter in your English alphabet. Okay, children? The second letter of this word is 8th letter in your English alphabet. And second clue is it's all about carrying. It's all about carrying. Children, have you all guessed the answer? Very good. The answer is sharing. Okay, what is the spelling for sharing? S-H-A-R-I-N-G. Sharing. Sharing. Okay, shall we move to the next one? Fourth one. Children, the first clue is it's celebration. The first clue is it's celebration. Second clue is Diwali, Ramzan, Christmas. All together we call it as by this name. All together we call it as by this name. Have you all guessed the answer? Yes, very good. The answer is festivals. The answer is festivals. F-E-S-T-I-V-A-L-S. Festivals. Okay, shall we move to the next one? Fifth one. First clue is start with the letter N. Okay, start with the letter N. And N with the letter S. And N with the letter S. Okay, start with the letter N and N with the letter S. Second clue is we share everything to whom in nearby places of our home. Yes, have you all guessed the answer? Children, the answer is neighbors. Okay, the answer is neighbors. N-E-I-G-H-B-O-U-R-S. Neighbors. Neighbors. Okay, next is sixth one, last one. First clue is it starts with the letter F. First clue is it starts with the letter F. And N with the letter Y. And N with the letter Y. Children, it consists of group of members living together. For example, mother, father, brother, sister, grandmother, grandfather. What we call it as? What we call it as? Yes, children. Have you all guessed this answer? The answer is family. Family. Okay, F-A-M-I-L-Y. Family. Okay, children. I hope everyone did correctly. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Okay. Shall we move to the next one? Yes. Now, word wizard. Okay. Word wizard. Shall we start now? Okay, children. What is the first one? Neighbor. Neighbor. Okay, I repeat once again. N-E-I-G-H-B-O-U-R. Neighbor. Neighbor. Okay, what is the second one? Relative. Relative. R-E-L-A-T-I-V-E. Relative. Relative. Okay. Okay, children. Next, third one. Friend. Friend. F-R-I-E-N-D. Friend. F-R-I-E-N-D. Friend. Next, fourth one. Nuclear family. Nuclear family. N-U-C-L-E-A-R. Nuclear family. F-A-M-I-L-Y. Family. Nuclear family. Next, fifth one. Extended family. Extended family. E-X-T-N-D-D. Extended family. family, extended family. Okay, shall we move to the next one? Sixth one, responsibility. 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 Okay. Seventh one, Diwali. 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 Okay, children. Next, eighth one, firecracker. Firecracker. FIRE. Fire. Cracker. 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 Firecracker. Ninth one, cousin. 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 Tenth one, decoration. 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 11th one, neighborhood. Neighborhood. NEIGHBOUR. Neighborhood. HOOD. Wood. Neighborhood. 12th one, festival. 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 13th one, celebrate. 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 14th one, Christmas. 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 Okay, Christmas. 15th one, Ramzan. 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 16th one, Share. 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 17th one, happiness. 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 Shall we move to the next one? Help. 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 19th one, parents. 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 Mother. 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 Next one, father. 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 Next one, indoor games. Indoor games. INDOOR. Indoor games. 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 Indoor games. Next one, outdoor games. Outdoor games. OUTDOOR. Outdoor games. 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 Outdoor games. Uncle. 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 Aunt. 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 Next one, cousin. Cousin. Next one, sister. 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 Next 28, brother. 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 Next 29, grandfather. Grandfather. GRAND. Grandfather. FATHER. Father. Grandfather. Last one, grandmother. Grandmother. G-R-A-N-D. Grandmother. M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother. Grandmother. Children, we have successfully completed our lesson 2, Others in My World. Now, it's time for our revision. Take this word wizard as a take-home activity and practice 5 words per day. Children, I hope you have enjoyed this session. Stay home, stay safe, wash your hands with hand sanitizer, eat healthy foods, drink plenty of water and use restroom often. Thank you, children.